back to EVSwap. I'm Jimmy and I'm a car enthusiast. I love cars of all types, but at EVSwap, I take cars that are gas and make them electric. We got something new for you today. I'm here down in Denton, Texas, and we're at E-Muscle Cars. We're checking out all these amazing muscle car EV conversions that they've got going on here at the shop and some future projects that they're building. So let's do a little tour around the shop. So you can see this is where they've got a couple Mustangs. This one is still a gasoline powered 66 Mustang or something like that. Then they've got this similar red Mustang, but it's actually got the engine removed out of it already, and they're starting the EV conversion process on this guy. And we can see next to it they've got the Grumman LLV, otherwise known as the mail truck, that you'll probably recognize, and they're putting into this guy a cool UQM motor. Now remember, UQM came from Unique Mobility, the company that built the Electrek, the old fiberglass car I've got. It turned into UQM, and these motors are built in Colorado. So it's pretty cool. The legacy lives on. So that's what they're going to use in the Grumman. They've got this area all cleaned out where they're going to put the EV components, the batteries, and whatever else. Also, they got this Camaro here, which they were saying was a really nice Camaro, and they've already got it stripped out and apart, and they're turning this into a show car. They've got this cool Mercedes EQS. The guys here at E-Muscle Cars have a ton of production EVs. This car here is it's a rally sport Camaro. I think this is a 68 or 69 maybe. And this thing is immaculate. This car, they keep calling this is the $200,000 car. So you can see, we'll come underneath and you can see everything. All the suspension components is all brand new hardware, and it's powder coated this stealth gray. Of course, they've got the Revolt motor in here, and the Torque Trends torque box, and a pretty beefy rear differential, and they've got the Curry rear axle with coilovers, and it's all powder coated, this stealth gray, and it just looks amazing. This car is just a work of art. Look at the wheels. And then of course you've probably seen the E-Muscle Cars Cobra. This is a Superformance, and this thing's just amazing. It's got the Tesla rear drive unit in it. Oh, let's see if I can show it off. I got a little video. I went for a ride in it earlier, so I'll play that video now. That noise is cool.
Yeah, we're gonna sound in the firewall and make it a little less loud.
Just the motor's in the back, right?
Yeah, it's right behind us.
Yeah.
So this is pedestrian mode. It's in our like zero wheel spin guaranteed mode.
This is cool. You can tell it's tight. Like there's not a lot of rattles or.
It's a brand new car.
Oh, yes! Damn!
That's half throttle.
Damn! All right, so we'll come into the showroom, and these cars are all still gasoline powered, but some of these cars are going to be destined for EV conversions. So this Mustang GT350, this is a real Shelby GT350, and it's going to become an electric car. Some people might think that's sacrilegious, but I think it's pretty cool. Here's another Mustang. This one's just got a 289 in it. Another white Camaro. This one's similar to that blue one out there, but this is the hardtop version. And this Mustang here is going to become an EV conversion soon. Also, they've got the C1s and the C2s, and what they're going to be doing is making an all-wheel drive dual motor C1 Corvette with modern suspension. That's going to be an amazing build. So that about does it for this video. I just wanted to show off some of these amazing cars and just point out that the possibilities are endless. Any car that you can think of, you can convert to EV, but why not do a really cool car that has a lot of character and good styling to it. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time here on EVSwap. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe so you can see more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Should they EV convert this monster truck? Just for a height comparison, this is me with the front bumper.